Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Chrome not responding and nothing happens after clicking on it. First method is right-click Start button, type %local app data %. Open Google folder. Open Chrome, open user data folder. Rename default folder default_old. Close and open Chrome. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Programs and Features. Select Google Chrome, click Uninstall. Type Chrome download in browser search bar. Click Download Google Chrome. Click Download Chrome. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.